Good morning, I'm Lorne MacLean of the MacLean Family Law Group, and welcome to BC Smart Divorce Tips number 5. Our topic today is BC child support. Today's topic is designed to educate you on what the fair amount of child support is. Since 1997, we've had the child support guidelines in Canada, which allows people to predictably and promptly settle their child support payments. However, many spouses are selling their children short because they're misinformed about how the guidelines work. Number one, the tables are a floor, not a ceiling. They're for basic support. There's a component for food, there's a component for shelter, there's a component for activities. But on top of that, there are other activities which we call special and extraordinary expenses. They will include primarily daycare, the children's portion of health care, specific health expenses over $100, primary private schooling, for example, post-secondary education, although a child's over 19, and then extracurricular activities. The test is the necessity for the expense, given the history of the family, and the reasonableness of the expense. Now, many people just go for the basic amount and leave their children at a lower standard of living to which they are entitled. Don't do that. That's when you come to a lawyer. Secondly, we see a lot of errors involving self-employed spouses who have their own companies. The tax returns of that spouse in most cases bear no relation to the reality of what's available to support your child. We need to use the real profits of the company. We call that the pre-tax profits. Again, you're going to need a lawyer to assist you in this regard. The next point I want to make is that the tables were increased in amount back on May 1, 2006, and many parents who have orders prior to that date are again not receiving the proper amount for their children. If you have a pre-May 1, 2006 order, please call us right away at bcfamilylaw.ca. The last point I want to make as well is that the guidelines were designed to be corrected annually. If incomes go up, so should the child support. If they go down, obviously the child support has to go down. For all of you paying spouses out there that have been hit hard by the economy, it's important that you come back to court promptly. You notify your spouse that your income's dropped. Don't delay, because that's going to prejudice your case, and you're unlikely to get relief if you wait 4 or 5 years to come back. If you have any other questions related to child support, we're more than happy to answer them at our offices. Set up an appointment by going to www.bcfamilylaw.ca. We have a ton of free information on our website. You can also go to our Facebook page where you can get simple questions answered for free, and also follow us on Twitter. So that's today's BC Smart Divorce Tip number 5, getting the most for your child as child support. I'm Lorne MacLean, and thanks for watching.